Hello everyone, this is Gitika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School and today we'll start exercise 13.2 of chapter 13 exponents and powers of class 7th. So as we know that what is exponent here, this is the exponent form, fine, and in this exercise what we'll do, we'll simplify the sums with the help of laws of exponents, and for that we will discuss the laws of exponents here, that what are the laws of exponents. So let's start it now. The very first one law of exponent is a raised to power m multiply a raised to power n here. Now you can see here in this law of exponent we are having base same base is there with the multiply sign and powers are different. So on that time what we'll do here, we will write the same base single time and we will add the powers. Fine. Just remember that when the bases are same with multiply sign and the powers are different, so on that time we will add the powers, means a raised to power m plus n here. Then again you can see in second law we are having a raised to power m divides and a raised to power n. Now in this law you can see here bases are same with the division sign and the powers are different. So what we'll do here, we will subtract the powers. Just remember one thing, that in with bases are same with multiply sign and powers are different, or same we can say also, on that time we'll add the powers, but when the division sign is there we will subtract the powers. Fine. So just remember one thing, that on that time the base must be the same. So a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n, the answer will be a raised to power m minus n here. Then again you can see here we are having a raised to power m in bracket, then again outside power n. So just remember one thing, when the same number base is there, it is having two powers together. One is inside the bracket, another one is outside of the brackets. So on that time we will multiply the powers, means a raised to power m multiply n, or we can write here a raised to power mn. Fine. And see here in next law of exponent we are having a raised to power m division sign b raised to power m. Now you can see here, you can compare both. In both the laws, here the bases are same, but here the bases are different, and here powers are different and powers are same here in this. So what we'll do here, again when the bases were same we have written base only single time, and here when the power is same we write here power only single time. Mean to say here we will multiply the base a multiply b and write here power outside of the bracket, means a raised to power m multiply b raised to power m, the answer will be ab into then outside the bracket the power m here. Then again we are having a raised to power m divided by b raised to power m, mean to say when the bases are different, division sign and powers are same, on that time we will write in fraction and write the common power, or we can write here a raised to power m divided by b raised to power m. In this way also you can write. And one more law here, then we having any exponent whose power is 0, the answer will be always 1 there. Just remember one thing, maybe there is 1000 but its power is 0, the answer will be only 1. Fine. And the next one is when any negative number's power is even, 2, 4, 6, 8, 100, 1000, when the power is even, the number will be, the answer will be always positive. Fine. Negative one's power is even, the answer is positive 1 here. Then same here, when the number is negative and the power is odd there, the answer will be always negative. Fine. So say here minus 1's power is odd number. For example, minus 1 raised to power 3, minus 1 raised to power 5. That means all odd powers are there. The answer will be always negative. Not their power, the answer will be always negative. So these laws we will use to simplify the sums of this exercise.